Welcome back to Financial Freedom Basics. If you are ready to take control of your financial life and future, you're in the right place. Today, we will discuss a crucial topic: the financial guide for beginners, with 6 essential money steps to freedom. Achieving financial freedom might seem daunting, especially if you're just starting, but don't worry. We're here to break it down for you step by step. Whether you're aiming to get out of debt, build a solid savings foundation, or invest wisely for the future, these 6 essential money steps will set you on the right path. First, we'll talk about the importance of creating a budget. A budget is the base of any successful financial plan. It will help you understand where your money is going and allow you to decide about your spending. Next, we'll discuss the significance of saving consistently. Building a robust savings habit is critical for financial security and achieving your long-term goals. Then, we'll dive into investing wisely. Investing can seem intimidating, but it's one of the most powerful tools for growing your wealth and achieving financial independence. We'll also cover how to manage debt effectively. Debt can be a significant barrier to financial freedom, but with the right strategies, you can overcome it. Living a frugal lifestyle is another key step. Embracing simplicity and finding joy in less can greatly enhance your financial health. Lastly, we'll explore the benefits of learning new skills. This can help you save money and even generate additional income. So, let's get started on these 6 essential money steps to freedom and take the next step towards your financial independence. Step 1. Create a budget. Creating a budget is the cornerstone of any successful financial plan. It's the first step toward achieving financial freedom because it gives you a clear picture of where your money is going and helps you take control of your finances. To start, list all your sources of income. This could be your salary, freelance work, or any other streams of income you might have. Once you know how much money you're bringing in each month, it's time to track your expenses. Break down your spending into categories such as housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, entertainment, and savings. This helps you see exactly where your money is being spent. A crucial part of budgeting is distinguishing between needs and wants. Needs are essentials like rent, groceries, and utilities. Wants are non-essential items like dining out, streaming services, and luxury items. By identifying these, you can make more informed decisions about where to cut back if needed. Once you have a better understanding of your income and also expenses, you can set your financial goals. These could be short-term goals like saving for a vacation or long-term goals like building an emergency fund or saving for retirement. Look at it this way. A portion of your income will need to go to each goal, and you need to track your progress regularly. Remember, a budget is not a one-time task, but a dynamic tool that needs regular review and adjustment. Life changes, and so should your budget. By staying committed to your budget, you'll be better equipped to manage your money efficiently, avoid unnecessary debt, and make significant strides toward financial freedom. Step 2. Save consistently. Saving consistently is a fundamental step towards achieving financial freedom. It's not just about putting aside money whenever possible. It's about making saving a regular, disciplined habit that secures your financial future. First, set a clear savings goal. Whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for a down payment on a house, or planning for retirement, having a specific target gives you a sense of direction and purpose. Aim to save at least 20% of your income, but even starting with a smaller percentage can make a significant difference over time. To make saving easier, automate it. Automatization is your best friend. Do automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each payday. This way, you're prioritizing saving before you even have the chance to spend that money. Automation helps build a consistent habit without relying on willpower alone. Next, create a dedicated emergency fund. You need to save from 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a financial safety net, protecting you from unexpected expenses like medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss. Having this cushion can prevent you from falling into debt when surprises arise. Additionally, consider opening a high-yield savings account to maximize the interest you earn on your savings. This type of account typically offers better returns than a regular savings account, helping your money grow faster. Review your progress regularly, track your savings rate, and adjust your budget as necessary to meet your goals. Celebrate milestones along the way to stay motivated and committed to your savings plan. Step 3. Invest wisely. Investing wisely is a crucial step in achieving financial freedom. While saving money is essential, investing allows your money to grow over time, helping you build wealth and reach your financial goals more efficiently. To begin, educate yourself on the basics of investing. Understand different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Each investment type will have their own level of risk and potential return. The key is to diversify your portfolio to spread risk and increase the likelihood of returns. Start investing early. The power of compound interest is amazing. It means that the earlier you start, the more and faster your money can grow. Even small, regular investments can accumulate significantly over time. For instance, investing $200 a month in a stock market index fund can grow substantially over 20 to 30 years. Consider consulting a financial advisor to help you create a diversified investment portfolio that matches your risk tolerance and financial goals. A well-balanced portfolio typically includes a mix of asset types, such as stocks for growth and bonds for stability. Tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks and IRAs are retirement accounts that offer tax benefits that can enhance your investment returns. You need to contribute enough to your 401k. You need to take full advantage of any employer match. It's basically free money. Check your investments regularly and keep an eye on market trends. However, avoid the temptation to react to short-term market fluctuations. Investing is a long-term strategy, and staying the course can help you ride out market volatility. Step 4. Manage debt. Managing debt effectively is a critical step toward financial freedom. Debt can be a significant barrier to building wealth, so it's essential to develop a strategy to reduce and eventually eliminate it. First, understand your debt. Make a list of all of your debts, including credit card balances, car loans, student loans if any, and mortgages. The interest rates for these, also minimum payments and outstanding balances for each, are very important details. This comprehensive view helps you prioritize which debts to tackle first. Focus on high-interest debt. High-interest debts, such as credit card balances, should be your top priority because they grow quickly and can become overwhelming. Consider using the avalanche method, where you pay off debts with the highest interest rates first, while making minimum payments on others. Alternatively, the snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum and motivation. Create a repayment plan. Allocate as much as you can towards your prioritized debt while maintaining minimum payments on others. Any extra money, such as bonuses or tax refunds, should go towards debt repayment. Avoid accumulating new debt. This means being disciplined with your spending and resisting the urge to take on new loans or credit card balances. Live within your means and use cash or debit cards to avoid additional debt. Consider consolidating your debts. If you have multiple high-interest debts, consolidating them into a single loan with a lower interest rate can simplify payments and reduce the total interest you pay over time. Seek professional advice if needed. A financial advisor or credit counselor can help you create a personalized debt management plan and provide guidance on effective debt reduction strategies. Step 5. Live frugally. Living frugally is a powerful strategy to accelerate your journey toward financial freedom. It involves making mindful spending choices, prioritizing needs over wants, and finding ways to save money in your daily life. Start by embracing the philosophy of reducing, reusing, and recycling. This not only helps the environment, but also cuts down on unnecessary expenses. For example, reduce your utility bills by being mindful of energy consumption. Reuse items around the house instead of buying new ones, and recycle to potentially earn a bit of extra cash. Next, simplify your lifestyle. Focus on what truly brings you joy and value, and cut back on excess. This might mean cooking at home more often instead of dining out, canceling unused subscriptions, or choosing more affordable entertainment options. By eliminating non-essential expenses, you can significantly increase your savings. Learn to differentiate between needs and wants. Needs are basically what you need to survive, such as housing, food, and healthcare. Wants are non-essential items that can often be postponed or avoided. By prioritizing your spending on needs, you can ensure your money is being used wisely. Adopt a DIY mindset. Learning skills to do things yourself can save you a substantial amount of money. Whether it's home repairs, cooking, gardening, or even cutting your own hair, these skills reduce your reliance on paid services. Practice mindful spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's necessary and if it aligns with your financial goals. Waiting 24 hours before buying something non-essential can help you avoid impulse purchases. Step 6. Learn new skills. Investing in yourself. By learning new skills is a strategic way to enhance your financial independence journey. Acquiring practical abilities not only reduces reliance on external services, but also opens up opportunities to save money and potentially increase your income. Start by identifying skills that align with your interests and financial goals. For instance, learning basic home maintenance or car repair can reduce expenses on professional services. Similarly, developing skills in budgeting, investing, or tax preparation can optimize your financial management. Consider pursuing educational resources available online or through local community centers. Many platforms offer courses and tutorials on a wide range of subjects, often at minimal cost or even for free. Take advantage of these resources to expand your knowledge base without breaking the bank. Explore opportunities for generating additional income through side hustles or freelance work. By leveraging skills such as writing, graphic design, tutoring, or coding, you can create new revenue streams outside of your primary job. This extra income can accelerate debt repayment, boost savings, or bolster investments. Networking with individuals in your desired field can also provide valuable insights and opportunities for skill development. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, or participate in online forums to expand your knowledge and connect with like-minded individuals. Lastly, prioritize lifelong learning as a continuous process. Stay updated on industry trends, technological advancements, and personal finance strategies. The more versatile and adaptable your skill set, the better equipped you'll be to navigate economic changes and pursue financial independence. In conclusion, mastering these 6 steps, budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, frugal living, and skill development, will pave the way to financial freedom. Commit to these principles, adjust as needed, and watch your financial health improve. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell for our latest tips and strategies. Start now and empower yourself with the knowledge to secure a stable and prosperous future.